Welcome back, nail queens. I'm super excited to show you guys for the third year in a row the Revel nail advent calendar. So Revel's been releasing these advent calendars for 3 years now, since 2019. 2020 was the second one and 2021 is the third one. So what this Revel nail advent calendar is you open it up and you basically have a gorgeous package where every single day is a different day. You just pull it out on the 1st of December, 2nd, 3rd, so on and so forth, all the way until you have 24 1-ounce dips, like they're in 1-ounce size. And the 25th day is a special gift from Revel Nail to you. So you just have to pull it out and you can see what the gift is on Christmas. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, I think this is a great way to expand your color collection because this box retails for $175. And you can use your Revel rewards on this, so you can get up to $75 off of this, paying a total of $100 for 24 1-ounce jars. That's like unheard of anywhere else. So if you guys are interested in seeing what comes in this year's advent calendar, keep on watching. So Revel started day one off with a bang. So they went for the good stuff, meaning they used flakes. This is a black-based dip powder with blue, turquoise, green flakes. It looks like there's even purple flakes in there and like red glitter pieces. I don't know what's going on, but this is an absolutely stunning color. Day two, they toned it down for a green shimmer. So this is a like medium green base color with a yellowish green shimmer glitter. It's very simple, and like I said earlier, if you are a newbie, these advent calendars are a great way to expand your collection. Day three, bringing it back to flakes. So this is like a reddish orange based powder with gold flakes and red specks of glitter, like in the background, just red shimmer. You can see it kind of sparkling at you on the swatch. It's an absolutely gorgeous color. We're going back to basics with a simple medium blue powder with silverish blue shimmer in it. This type of color is perfect for not only winter manicures, but also summer colors. So if you want to rock this all year round, you can. So we're finally getting a chunky glitter mix here. Day 5 is a purple and silver glitter mixture. The silver has some holographic effect to it, so you're obviously going to see more than just purple and silver because of the holo. And I think that's why I like this purple so much. I'm not usually a purple fan, but because there's so many different colors in it, I really love it. Day 6 is hot, hot, hot. So this is a orange, coral based orange. It's not like your typical orange. It's very perfect for summer. So if you're into corals and oranges for summer, I definitely think this will be a staple this summer, and I really like the matte version of it better. Day 7 is for all my purple lovers out there. If you're into like lavenders and stuff like that, then this is totally your type of color, which honestly, I'm not mad about it. I actually kind of like it. Maybe it's because it has the silver foil flakes in it. It's really, really pretty, very simple, understated. I think this could be like a full one color mani for people. So with Christmas and Valentine's Day just around the corner, I think day 8 is the perfect color for both holidays. Hey, maybe even 4th of July. So it's a deep red base with red glitter, and it's just really pretty and very, very simple. So day 9 is a more medium blue. I really love this one. It has silver hexagon glitter shapes, but it also has irregular glitter pieces as well. And I think that really just gives it a touch of something extra, something different and unique, not what you traditionally see in glitter mixes. If I'm being honest, day 10 had potential, but I feel like either something got messed up here or something got mixed in that it shouldn't have been. So this is a deep like burgundy red, and it looks like it has pink fine shimmer glitter in it, but for some reason there's 3 or 4 pieces of hex glitters that I think shouldn't be there. So day 11 is just a simple pink. I really like it. I don't have many pinks that are in this tone. It's like a deeper, darker pink. And I also like that this advent calendar isn't full of just a shit ton of solid dip powders. There's shimmers, flakes, foils, the whole 9 yards. Okay, let's count how many purples are in this advent calendar, because so far we are at 3. So this is a like simple purple with like purpley, like a light purple glitter, fine glitter, very, very fine. That's not too much. What's with all the purples though? Can someone like stop this? Okay, we're finally getting into some dark territory here. So day 13 is a charcoal shimmer. This is really beautiful, y'all. It's kind of hard to describe the texture, but it's really fine, even finer than your traditional shimmers. And I have a feeling this can chrome. Don't quote me on that, but I just have an inkling about it. Ooh, day 14, 2 years in a row. This may be just one of my favorites. So this is like a navy base powder with like pinky red, I don't know how to describe it, foil flakes. It's so pretty. So freaking pretty. Kudos Revel on the flakes. You're really bringing it this year. Day 15 had a lot of potential for me. I feel like it just needs a little bit more shimmer. So it's a darker blue base powder with gold shimmer. I think Revel could have kicked it up a little bit with the gold shimmer. It would have been really, really pretty. Think Revel Nail Fascinated vibes, but just a more lighter blue. So day 16 is another coral orange, except for this one, it has shimmer. It looks like a golden orange shimmer in it. I love me some shimmers. Shimmers are so easy to work with, and I can see myself mixing this in with a summertime manicure. Okay, I'm not really hating on purple, but this is the 4th purple so far. So this one is a solid purple. I mean, I'm not great at describing purples. Is this more like a medium dark tone? I wouldn't be able to tell you. So I just know that it's not my type of purple. Okay, so this is my type of color. Day 18 is a pinky coral, so I like the more pinky corals rather than the orange corals. So this one has iridescent foil flakes in it. Yes, they nailed this one. They hit the nail on the head with this one. I love it. Okay, so I count this as purple. This is borderline purple. It's like a blurple purple. I'm calling it purple. Day 19 is a blurple with holographic silver glitter. So there you go, another purple. Now we're talking. Now we're getting into some colors I like. Day 20 is a chocolate brown, like a rich chocolate brown, and it looks like it has a gold shimmer in it. Y'all think like gingerbread house manis? I think this would be a great base for gingerbread house manicure, and just like some white gel as the icing. Day 21 really complements day 20. I think this is gorgeous. So it's like a neutral, more nude shimmer, brownish, rose gold. It's got all the things, all the neutrals going on here, and I think this really complements day 20. So if you get this calendar, mix them together. Not a lot of pink haters out there in the world, right? I love pink. So this is a really perfect pink with like bluish, purplish, pinkish shimmer. The shimmer just changes colors. It's not hollow though, it's more iridescent. It's really, really pretty. Simple, understated, can't go wrong with it. I'm not the biggest fan of this type of color because it's a yellow. It just reminds me of bananas, lemons, but I think that yellows pair really well with pinks for some reason. It just reminds me of pink lemonade. I don't know why. So pair this with day 22 and you've got yourself a great manicure. And last but not least, Revel ends it off with another purple. So this one is actually quite interesting. It is obviously like a clear base and it has fine purple glitters, but you've got a lot of shapes going on in here. You got diamonds, hexagons, and even line glitters, and they're all holographic. So we're done showing off the calendar. Here are the first 12 colors, day 1 through day 12. I think they're really pretty colors. There's a lot of purples in my opinion. You could use a couple more blues if you ask me, maybe more foils in there, or actually I think more chunky glitter mixes would be more what I would be wanting in an advent calendar. but you know, you can't have it all. It is kind of like a mystery. You don't know what you get. So I do have a lot of favorites in here. They're really, really pretty. So I also want to show you guys day 25. Since I'm uploading this on Christmas Day, I'm unveiling the day 25 quote unquote Christmas gift. And what it comes with is a cuticle oil bottle and winter spice scent. This doesn't smell like pine. It's very like soft, understated. It's not overwhelming. I think this is a nice scent cuticle oil. Thank God, because I really don't like pine that much. And this liquid grip is considered what you would call like a bottle holder. And it is a smaller bottle holder. I did find that it wouldn't fit the cuticle oil bottle or most other dip powder liquid bottles that I have, but it does fit Revel's like tiny glass bottles. Alright, so what did you guys think about that? Well, first of all, on the back of the box, it says Happy Holidays from our Revel Nail family to yours. And every single year it has a different packaging, but the structure of the packaging is the same. So I really love that. So at the time of me recording this video, these are still in stock. So they made so many of these. So if you liked this unboxing video and you still want to like buy one of these, then look in the description box below. Just click the little arrow to expand the description box and I'll have the link to the advent calendar there. And Revel was very kind to let me have a discount code for the month of December. So from December 10th to December 31st, you can save 10% off of your purchases with code CAROL10. However, it is a one-time use code, so you can't use it on multiple purchases. So it's better to use that 10% off on a larger purchase on something like this. It is not an affiliate code, so I don't get any commission from it. That code is valid until December 31st.